Watch my tears fill the kitchen floor. In reality, we said goodbye years ago. Now we're tearing apart the house we built. Then we sit in silence and ignore the guilt. There's a muddy field where the garden was. I'd give it all just to hang on your cross. My mother asks, where's all the pain? I reply to her, your last name.
Your last name. Your last name. In all our deaths like little flies. We talked about our love so much it died. Our whole relationship is one 3 short weeks. We cried our hearts out but left no creeks. Your last name is who you were with me when the siren sang and sent us to sleep. Your last name is who you were with me when we both hung from a rotten tree.
Then you found a new place to call home. As I waited for your pictures to fall off the wall, now I'm planting a seed in a muddy field. Catch a glimpse of me in 2 or 3 years. There's a garden